Hey YouTube, we're Marko with Marko's Garage. Coming to you today to go get a trunk lid for my 56 Pontiac gasser project. I had to use that trunk lid to fix the Pontiac that got rear-ended, the two-door hardtop. So I'll show you what I got on this thing now. And I'm just gonna go, I found a trunk lid from a guy from our 567 club at the last meeting. And it's a 55 Chevy lid, which isn't quite the same as a Pontiac lid in the sense of where the hole is for the trunk key. This is a 57 Chevy trunk lid, but this trunk lid is rusted out. I'll show you that. Just gonna sweep it off here. Open this up and I'll show you what the problem with this one is. As you can see here, this trunk lid here has a lot of rot. It's very thin. You can actually put a screwdriver through it in areas, and put a screwdriver through it here. It's all knotted on the inside of this trunk lid, all the way down and even up into the seam. So this trunk lid here is just here to basically keep parts inside from going missing and the snow out. But yeah, this trunk lid is not really going to work for my gasser. Now, that being said, I may cut the inner webbing out of this trunk and make it like the trunk lid in 2-lane blacktop. But in any case, I was looking for a better trunk lid. We'll go in my C50 truck, because I don't think anybody's seen it really drive down the road yet. So we'll take the C50 for a ride and go get that trunk lid. Start the truck here. Now they got the heater fixed, I can actually go on little trips like this. I still don't have a truck floor, but with the straps I think the trunk lid will stay. Bumps. Oh yeah, look at that. She's running. Well, hey, I got heat in the truck. I don't need to wear that. It's nice actually. Gloves off. Oh, nice and warm. Okay. Alright. Okay, one of the things I gotta do with this truck is get another transmission in it. Third gear pops out hard. I'll show you that. I did get another good used transmission that was a freebie, but I want to send it off and have it redone so that it has all the new synchros and everything working properly in it, so that I don't have to have any issues with it. So yeah, I'll show you. I'm in low range right now, but if I put it in third, that's me holding it hard. It just pops out of gear. If you hold it hard, it'll actually push my hand out. Yeah. Every so often. Yeah, third is non-existent, so I end up driving it between second and fourth. Truck's geared pretty low. No, I have to say, this truck is not bad in the snow. I thought it would be a lot worse. It's actually a lot of fun to drive. It stops pretty good too, I have to say. I was worried it'd be just just kind of lock up and slide, but no, it's pretty good. And do some threshold braking, so it's not horrible. Well, one good thing, I got enough heat now. I can like have my arm out the window and it's like -5. Yeah, not bad. Not bad for not having carpet and all the other things, you know, to keep a vehicle warm too. You always get thumbs up when you're driving this truck. Okay, apply the handbrake. Someone holds the truck back. And there we go. Now we wait. I'll meet up with the guy and pick up this trunk lid. Okay, so I just picked it up. There it is in the back. And what I'll do is when I get home, I'll show you the trunk lid that I got. So here's the trunk lid that I picked up. I just brought it home and unloaded it, put it on the stand here so you can see. Somebody's prepped, they put a skim of, I gave myself a little sliver there. They put a thick coat of that slick sand on here, but it's nice, there's no big filler or anything in this trunk lid compared to the one that I showed you earlier on the Pontiac. I'll lift it up here, you can see the edge. On the inside edge, you peel this rubber back a bit, there's no soft spots, no rust like on that other trunk lid. It was all rusted out through here. So the only thing, I have a couple of little dents, one here and one here that I could probably easily pull out with the uni spotter. And I'll cut all this paper out of here. I'll leave that on the car. And this will be a good trunk lid for the gasser. So just gathering parts. I'm not going to put it on the car right now. I'm just going to put it in my seat can so that it's out of the way. And come spring in that when I do the floor, hopefully if things work out, then This will be the part that I got, so I don't have to look for another one. So this is that trunk lid we picked up. Anyway, set that down. So I hope you enjoyed the video on just picking up a part and going for a ride in the C50. That was the first ride I did on film. And if you like these videos, please subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and have a great day.